Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove this iDrive controller from a BMW 5 Series. We will replace it with this iDrive controller ceramic look, so you can find this in the video description below. If you can see, our iDrive controller is damaged. It's a little bit scratchy and we will remove it. So remove the plastic cap from the top using a sharp tool. You can find this sharp tool in the video description below. Just pop that plastic cap out. Then we have to remove that silver ring from the controller. So for that you have to use a flat blade screwdriver, a small flat blade screwdriver. There's some tabs over there, 4 tabs. So take aside one of the tabs and then lift that silver ring up, and then you can take it out. Then it's very simple to place that part from the new controller on the old controller. You have to press it tightly and then install the cap, and that's it. It works very well. So let's start the engine to see if it's illuminated. So there we go. You can see those arrows. So if you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.